Long is the distance farther shore and deep the rolling main. God keep you safe until once more we two shall meet again. From mother and father to their dear son somewhere in France. Oh my God! How did that get to him? I mean,
that's very, very moving.
It's the Red Cross managed to find him when all they had was somewhere in France, and he was 700 kilometres deep into enemy territory.
I mean, that's incredible, isn't it?
I've never come across that. It's just the fact that it's signed as mother and father to their dead.
Oh.
Well, that would probably keep you going a wee bit, wouldn't it? They just think he's in the front somewhere.
We don't know what information that they had,
yeah,
other than that they were able to send him this card.
Yeah.
I mean, we are so lucky that they did, because what this was for him was a piece of paper, a very scarce resource in a prison of war camp. And so he used it as a diary.
Oh, my goodness.
That's Granda's diary?
Yeah.
So that's Granda's writing?
That's your granddad's writing.
What does it say? At 2 o'clock?
For all... I, of course, haven't got my glasses.
Well, there might be a slightly easier way to read that. Someone transcribed it.
OK.
I want to show you this. Does that handwriting look familiar?
No, it's my father's writing. I would know that anywhere. I mean, I would know his writing in a heartbeat, you know. See, 3 soups, 1 bread ration, on journey. A large number died. Oh, my God.
Oh, look. They died after arrival.
A large number died after arrival.
Because they were so exhausted.
Your dad collated all this information, and at some point, he donated it to a library.
Yeah.
But it got lost. The family knew it went to a library, but not which one. So we were able to track it down.
Wow. I mean, that's an extraordinary thing to look at.
To see his writing.
Just, oh, my God. Well, I saw his writing every day at school.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, I saw that writing on the chalkboard every day at school. And I would know it from a mile away. I mean, that was... I mean, you know, I said to you right at the beginning about... I think we both thought that it would be lovely to be reconnected in a way that I thought that this would reconnect me with him, and there it is. You know, this is James, looking at Jim's writing, Jim writing about his Willie John. So I'm very grateful, and it will, I think, in some way, hopefully, live with me and kind of maybe in what my ancestors went through to give me the life I have.
Without any of this, there'd be no Jimmy Nesbitt.
And what a loss that would be.
Terrible.
I mean, there are literally viewers watching this right now going, God, imagine. I'm overwhelmed that, you know, the 8-year-old, 9-year-old boy who remembers his granddad with great love and affection and probably knew somewhere that, well, he was in the war, but he didn't want to talk about it, but I wonder, was he a hero? I'm delighted that that 8-year-old boy is sitting in front of you, kind of finding out that he was indeed
he was a hero.
Rather a heroic man.